Hey everybody! So how many of you are like, okay, I know essential oils work, they're powerful, they're amazing, I've been reading all about them, I know my friends love them, I get it that they work, I know they've been used throughout history, I know they're not snake oils, but how do I actually use them? Like how many of you thought, okay, lavender, people say it's calming, it's very relaxing, it's soothing to your skin, it can help calm occasional nervous tension. You know that, but how do you experience it? How do you actually use lavender so that you can get those benefits? Well, today I'm talking about how you actually use oils to get the benefits that you've heard all these people talking about and that you know actually work. So the first way to use essential oils, and this is very simple, the first way to use essential oils is to use them aromatically, so diffusing your essential oil. So this may seem very simple to you guys, but all you want to do is you just add a little bit of water to your diffuser. There's a little line on the inside or a little red dot. You just add water, add your favorite essential oil. So say you're like, I really need to calm down and relax before I go to bed. Add your lavender essential oil to your diffuser, put your diffuser by your bed, and just have it going all night to help you stay calm, to help you stay relaxed, or before bed, during your bedtime routine. Turn it on. You can smell the powerful effects, the powerful aroma of lavender essential oil. Using oils aromatically seems very simple, but it is one of the most effective way to get the benefits of an essential oil because the sense of smell is so powerful. If you think about it, your sense of smell is the only one of your five senses where you actually react before you process it. You react before you process that you smell something. So, for example, hopefully that made sense. If you touch something, you process it in your brain and then you react. If you see something, you process it in your brain and then you react. If you smell something, so here's this wonderful lavender, if you smell something, your body actually physically reacts before you process it in your brain. So that's why if you walk into a spa, how many of you walked into a spa and you just instantly feel zen, you feel balanced, you feel calm, you feel centered, you just sit down and you're just like this weight has been lifted off of your shoulders. And that's because they're usually diffusing some type of essential oil that's very calming and relaxing, and your body feels that way before you process it. It's the same as if you smell one of your mom's favorite home-cooked meals, you smell that wonderful scent, it just takes you back in time, and you start to feel that way, that you start to feel the way that you did in that time period before you actually process it. So we're not going to go into too much of the science about how oils work, but just know that the sense of smell can change any environment. It can help, create an atmosphere of energy. It can help create an atmosphere of positivity, focus, a relaxation, centering, whatever you're looking for, whatever particular oil supports that feeling that you're looking for, diffuse that oil and use it aromatically, and it can help change the environment. So if you're a teacher, diffuse some lemon. Lemon is a very focusing aroma. Diffuse some lemon in your classroom, some rosemary. It can help, support an atmosphere of focusing. It helps support an atmosphere of staying in line. So just diffuse, very, very simple. You can also just breathe a few drops into your hand. So if you don't have a diffuser, you're really new to essential oils, you really want to feel energized, you want to feel refreshed, grab your citrus fresh, whatever oil you're looking for, just put a couple drops in the palm of your hand. You rub it in the palm of your hand, and then you cup your hands like this so you guys can see, and then you just take a few deep breaths through your nose. So breathe in slow, pause, hold out. So you just breathe in, breathe out. Sometimes I do this at my desk. I take rosemary or rosemary or frankincense before I start working on a big project. Just put a couple drops in my hand. Breathe in. You can do that. Give it to your kids before a game. Have them get peppermint because it's very energizing. Put a couple drops of peppermint in the palms of their hand. Have them breathe it in, breathe out, breathe in a few times, and you're getting those benefits of the essential oil. You're getting the benefits of that aroma. Essential oils are volatile, so that's why they're in a liquid form in your bottle, but then when you put them in your hand and you rub it around, they easily change from liquid to a gas. So that allows you to get the benefits of those oils, as you breathe them in, and as you take them, and as you breathe them in through your lungs as well, you get the benefits of them on both different systems. So great way to use essential oils. You can also use different DIYs when you're using oils aromatically. So you can make your own linen mist. Put a little bit of witch hazel or a little bit of water in a little spray bottle. Add your favorite essential oil. So sometimes, one of my favorite oils is Sacred Mountain. It's a blend of ylang ylang and a few tree oils. It smells amazing. If you haven't tried it, if you love Sacred Frankincense, not Sacred Mountain, let me know. It's one of my favorites. But I actually make a little linen mist. So I put it in a little bottle like this, and I'll actually spray my pillows or even my yoga mat before doing yoga. It's just very centering, very calming. So you can use oils to help, make the linens in your life more fragrant, smell more like essential oils. You can also get cotton balls. These are some simple hacks to get the smell of essential oils, the aroma of essential oils everywhere in your life. Put essential oils on a few cotton balls, and I will actually put them in my closet or in my underwear drawer, in my shoes. I'll get oils that I love the smell of. So I love Citrus Fresh, or maybe Purification because it has air cleansing qualities, or tea tree. I'll put a couple drops of tea tree on a cotton ball, stick it into my shoes, or put it into my kids' shoes. I'll get oils that I love the smell of, like Stress Away or Sacred Mountain, and I'll put them in different clothes drawers or in my storage bins and just leave them with my clothes so that my clothes have the aroma of that essential oil. You can also get wool dryer balls. If you guys use those for your dryer in replace of dryer sheets, I actually put wool dryer balls, put a bunch of essential oils on them, and I put them in the drawers in my closet because it makes my clothes smell amazing. You can just put them anywhere in your house. So you can use cotton balls and put them around your house. You can try adding peppermint or Purification. Purification helps you enjoy the outdoors annoyance-free. So you can put Purification on a cotton ball, put it in your window sills. It helps your window sills stay annoyance-free. So you put them in your window sills, put them around your house. There are lots of ways that you guys can use these. You can also use clothespins, like those wood clothespins. You can put oils on there, put them in the vents of your car, and so as your car, you turn on your heat or your AC, the essential oils are blowing in your car. It's like your own makeshift diffuser. You can use oils that way. You can use a reed diffuser, make your own DIY reed diffuser and put them around. There are just so many ways to use oils aromatically. So those are just a few simple tips on using oils to just breathe in those qualities that way. The next way to use essential oils is topically. So using oils topically is great for your skin or your muscles or things like your hair and things like that. So you can apply oils directly to a blemish. So oils that are great for applying to blemishes to help reduce the appearance of those blemishes are oils like lavender, tea tree, frankincense. Those are just a few. Those are really good skin supporting oils. And so you can get tea tree and actually just put one drop. I don't have tea tree up here, but I'll use lavender. You can actually just put one drop into your palm. Be careful when you put it on, you just wait for that drop to fall because you don't want to get too much. So just be patient and if you try to tap out the oil, usually 3 or 4 drops will come out. So you just put one drop in the palm of your hand, just tap your finger in there, so you have a little bit, and put it directly onto your blemish like that. So I wouldn't recommend, there's not too many times that I apply oils neat. I usually dilute them, but when you're applying it to a blemish, you can apply it neat. That being said, everyone's skin is different, so you do have to test it out to see how your skin reacts to certain oils. Everyone has a totally different makeup. They react totally different to different oils. But generally speaking, this is a great way to use oils, especially on those blemishes and those not so pretty parts of your skin. So just apply it directly to those blemishes. Tea tree is great, like I said, frankincense, lavender. You can also mix essential oils with your favorite moisturizer. This is one of my favorite way to use oils, and that's why I think I go through so much lavender. Lavender just works great for my skin. Everyone has different oils that are their favorite. Lavender is my absolute favorite for my skin. It helps soothe the appearance of uneven skin tone. It helps soothe the appearance of blemishes. Lavender is like the Swiss Army knife of oils, especially when it comes to anything skin. You can apply it to your skin after being outdoors, after being in the sun. It's just wonderful, wonderful, wonderful for the skin. I actually will just apply a couple drops with Sheer Lumet. That's the moisturizer that I use at night. I love it. If you don't use it, you should try it. I promise you will thank me later. It's amazing. I just apply a couple drops of lavender to Sheer Lumet, mix it in the palm of my hand, and then apply it before bed. Sometimes I use frankincense, sometimes I use patchouli. There's different oils. There's lots of oils that are great for your skin. You just try out different ones that you like and for your specific needs. We're just talking about some basics here today. So you can apply it and mix it with your moisturizer. You can also apply oils, say mix it with coconut oil or dilute it with V6 oil and use it during a massage. So you can use oils like Aromatic or peppermint or frankincense and put a few drops in the palm of your hand. Grab some carrier oil, which is coconut oil, V6 oil, jojoba oil, almond oil, whatever carrier oil you prefer. Mix it in the palm of your hand, and then you just massage with that essential oil. It's a great way to get the benefits of essential oils topically, especially on those fatigued areas after exercise. Peppermint is very cooling. Same with wintergreen, same with panaway. They're all very cooling. Peppermint has a constituent called menthol, which is actually, commercial sports creams actually synthetically copy menthol for its cooling and very powerful benefits. And so we actually just get that in its most natural form, found in just the peppermint oil. And so that's a great oil to apply after exercise, to apply to fatigued muscles. Panaway is too. You apply it to your fatigued muscles after exercise, use it in a massage. You can make actual workout stick. I've done this before. I actually will melt coconut oil, mix it with panaway or peppermint or Aromatic. My favorite lately has been Aromatic and peppermint. Aromatic is great to apply after exercise, but I'll mix some Aromatic and peppermint and I'll mix it with melted coconut oil. Then I'll actually let it harden in an empty deodorant stick. And so after I'm done working out, say there's a particular area that I want to put these on after I work out and they're fatigued, I'll just get that stick and just rub it directly on there. So you can apply oils after exercise, during a massage. You can also apply oils directly to the area of need. So if you want to apply oils to the back of your ears, so just dilute it, mix your oil with a little bit of carrier oil with a little bit of V6, apply it along your ears. You can apply it along the back of your spine and along the back of your neck. That's great to really get like a grounding, a very relaxing effect of essential oils. So say you use sacred frankincense or ylang-ylang or one of those more grounding, very centering essential oils. You can apply it down your spine, the back of your neck. I always tend to get, like, in the wintertime, my skin gets more dry and I need to support it with some heavy moisturizers like coconut oil or beeswax or something like that. So I'll get those deep moisturizers and I'll add a complementary oil like frankincense or lavender and I'll apply it to the back of my arm. So that's my specific area of need. You can apply oils to your specific area of need. You can also use it as a natural perfume. So you can put a couple drops directly just on the palms of your hand right there, rub it in, and you'll smell wonderful throughout the day. Sometimes I'll just put a couple drops in my hand and actually put it in my hair. Just because I feel like my hair holds on to essential oil smell for a long time, and that way like I just smell good throughout the day. You can also dilute your essential oil. You can put it on your chest, on your shoulders, just to have that natural fragrance-free, beautiful smell. Fragrance is one of the worst things that you can put on your body or that you can smell. When you see the word fragrance in a beauty product, in a personal care product, it basically just means it's a bunch of chemicals that doesn't make sense, but it's basically just a bunch of chemicals. Companies don't have to disclose what's in fragrance because it's considered a proprietary term. So you don't know what you're getting. It's usually just lots of toxic chemicals. Use an essential oil if you want something to smell good. Plus, essential oils have tons of other additional benefits that are great for you, whether it's your skin, your body, different areas of your health. They're great for you. So use essential oils. Don't use fragrance. Make your own things. You can also add essential oils when you're applying them topically to all your DIYs. So I love making DIYs. Here's just a few. Here's like a little salt scrub. So as you make a salt scrub with Epsom salts and coconut oil and sea salt, add some essential oils in there. Add them to your, I have a little cellulite scrub with some coffee and some Epsom salt and some sugar, some brown sugar. I also added grapefruit and cypress in there. So add essential oils that work synergistically with your DIYs. The DIY kit is a great place to start. If you want to start using DIYs, you're not sure if you have all the ingredients, it's too expensive, the DIY kit is a great cost-effective way to get different do-it-yourself kits that you can add in your essential oils in your starter kit. So that's just a little plug for the DIY kit. I love that kit. So you have your DIYs, you can add them to your hair masks. I do a hair mask once a week with whether it's coconut oil or argan oil, depending on what I'm feeling like. I will always add essential oils to my hair masks. I always add them to my face mask. So if you use like a bentonite clay mask, add essential oils to it. If you make a lip balm, add essential oils to your lip balm. I love adding peppermint because of the menthol. It's very cooling and very stimulating, so it helps your lips, look fuller than they normally would because of that stimulating feeling and that menthol. So really the options are endless when using essential oils topically. Add them to your DIYs. Add them to everything that you're using, and they will complement whatever you're using. My number one recommendation is to just start. Even if you think that you don't know what to use, you don't know how to use it, you're not quite sure how much, how many drops, or how few drops, or what to dilute it with, just start. If you want to get the powerful benefits of lavender, don't stress and think about, should I diffuse it? Should I apply it topically? Should I apply it to the bottoms of my feet? How should I use it? Just start using it. Just start using it, and you'll start experiencing different experiences, and you'll start understanding how that oil works best for you. And over time, you will have a better idea of what to use and when to use. And one thing too to remember is everyone's bodies are different. So your neighbor, your friend may love lavender. She may say, I put it on my kids' feet every night before they go to sleep. I diffuse it in their rooms every night before they go to sleep because it helps create a calming, relaxing environment. But you may put it in your kids' rooms and your kids may be wired and running around and you're like, what the heck? That is not helping. I don't understand why people like this oil. That's because everyone has a different chemical makeup. Everyone's bodies are different. So something that works great for you may not work good for somebody else. So if lavender doesn't work great for you, but it works great for your friend, try a different oil. Try Peace and Calming. Peace and Calming helps create a relaxing environment. It's very soothing, it's very balancing as well. So if you don't love peppermint, try wintergreen. If you don't, there's different options and so many different oils. So if something, you don't love it, it doesn't work great for you, try something else because everyone has their specific favorites. Don't get discouraged, just keep using them, just keep trying them, and you'll figure out over time what works best for your body, what works best for your family, and your wellness will be supported, you'll have a healthier lifestyle, and you'll be getting and using all of the benefits of essential oils. So that's all I have to talk about today. If you guys have any questions, put them in the comments. I'm going to try to go through later today and answer as many questions as I can. And a little tip for you guys, make sure you like and to follow the page too, so that you guys see our notifications and our videos in your feeds. So after you click like and follow, there's a little arrow next to the follow button. Click that little arrow, and then underneath that little arrow there's a receive notifications, and click that. When you click receive notifications, that will notify you when we post, that you don't miss any of our essential oil basic posts this week. And you don't want to because they are going to be awesome and you're going to learn so much. So make sure that you're tagging all of your new friends, anyone who wants to learn more about essential oils. Tag them in this, tag them in our previous posts so they can learn about oils and understand how to use them. And that it doesn't have to be scary, it doesn't have to be overwhelming. Every single person can get the benefits of essential oils in their life.